Utkatasana, chair pose. Raise the arms above the head parallel and bend the knee. Ground with your heel. Engage the back part of the body. Push the sacrum forward while straightening your spine. Stay in the pose for a few breaths, and after, with an inhale, stretch the knee and lower the hands. For modification, you can keep the hands in front of your body, hands are parallel. For variation, you can do the hand gestures or maybe hands in Namaskar, or raise the hands above the head, cross the wrist and squeeze the palms in one direction and the other direction, or bring the palms, cross the palms and bring it behind the sacrum. Or you can do back Namaskar. If back Namaskar is difficult, then just touch your elbows. Now let's see some variation with the brick. Stretch your hands and squeeze the brick with your palms in front of your body, or you can raise the hands above the head. Then it's very good for the shoulder joints and also for the joints of the arm and for the bones. You can also bring the brick behind your sacrum and stretch your arms and squeeze the brick as well. For a leg variation, which is very good for the inner thighs, especially if you did a lot of hip opening before, then just squeeze the brick with your inner thighs, at least for a few breaths, for 6-8 breaths. And you can do here also different hand gesture. And let's see some further variation. You can come to Utkatasana as we discussed before, and after you can come on your tiptoe. So raise the heels, see that your metatarso and the ankles are strong. You engaging the back part of your kneecap, so the weight is not on the frontal part, and you can come on your tiptoe, or you can bend the knee even further, almost the hips touching the heel, and after push yourself up again. You can do this almost squatting movement a few times. Favorite variation is the one leg chair, one leg Utkatasana, where we bring the outer edge of the ankle above the knee on the other leg, and you can do the hands in Namaskar. Or you can spread your wings, your arms as a swan, and with an exhale lower your chest to the calf, arching the spine. You can also twist to one side and to the other side. Just see that you are not losing balance. And after, slowly release the position. You can also do squatting in the one leg chair position. What's important that the heels should be grounding and engaging the back part of your body. Keep the spine as straight as possible. Or you can come to Utkatasana and you can do twisting dynamically. One part and the other part twisting. Meantime, see that you're lengthening between the tailbone and the crown of the head. Keep all the time the knees together, and if you're doing a little bit vinyasa or flow motion, then from the twisting, then you can go to high lunge position as well with the legs.